True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah man, so I'm in the Hopewell area. So I'm giving a tour in the Hopewell area also to Greenfield. So I am in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, the parish of St. Elizabeth. Now, a lot of people overseas heard about Hopewell side also, Greenfield. So Greenfield is very close to, you have the Watchwell area, Williamsfield, Panside area. So if you're from Greenfield and you know this area, or if you know this area, you can leave in the comment section. Leave in the comment section, let me know where you're watching from. So you know, so we're up on the countryside in Jamaica, you know? Because them place at the countryside. And there is no place like when you're living in the country. When you're living in the country area, you can do a lot of different things. You can cook in the backyard, light our fire, wash our clothes and hang it on the line, do a lot of farming. So nothing cannot be the country life in Jamaica. Yeah man, so if you come from the countryside anywhere in Jamaica, just say, yeah man, yes, Fire Reid, I love what me I do. Still by the countryside, see we see some pretty houses. If you see a town people one can build them big houses, pretty house in our country too. So this is an update 2023. This is on the right hand side. This is the Hopewell Primary School. Yeah man, so this is the Hopewell Primary School. If you ever come to this school before, you can leave it in the comment section. Hopewell Primary School, floor plan. You know, say school kind of closing now, so them have them guinea tree, them have them basketball court. I have to look out for the kids them. Yeah, man, look out for the kids them and thing, you know. So I made the right turn, which will take us to the Greenfield area. You have the Mount Charity Church in the Hopewell area. So the countryside looks so beautiful. Place look green and pretty. Them places are close to Fort Charles Beach. Yes, them are do some project around the side. So lately I see some big project around this side, a lot of hotels and stuff. I see where the sign says welcome to Fort Charles District. So it kind of a bit confusing. Very, very confusing this area. See them have all them black factory in this area, so You don't want no black football, you can come in this side, in this area, come round to Hopewell side, going towards the Greenfield area. See a lot of farming. I know a lot of peanut farm in this area, peanut and corn. So you know, see them road up on the countryside kind of a bit lonely. Now I'm going to see much people that travel in this area. Them place here can have some peace of mind, relaxation, not too busy, less noise. So in the Greenfield area, right across from the Greenfield playfield, I think every year, every Sunday, they used to have some cricket match in this area. Yeah man, a lot of cricket match. People from this area love cricket. You talk about cricket, love cricket. Sports as a whole. Thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.